So the website is actually complete. As you can see, it gave us some small call to action here. Join this and explore impact. Very beautiful website, very fast. Give us this and give us some AI images it generated by itself. You can go ahead and change this and put your images. Give us dark and light mode. WhatsApp button that when you click takes you direct to contacting them on WhatsApp. Then so basically everything looks very nice and very very beautiful. And based on the fact that it created this in less than 30 minutes is actually outstanding because 2 years back, 3 years back, this website could take 3 days and above to create. So it give us a donate button. This very brief video, I'm going to guide you through the step-by-step process on you can create yourself a website using Next.js and using QR codes, a very beautiful website, and with AI. The reason that's why we're not going to use a WordPress website or any website from an AI builder is because it is pretty simple and most of them are laggish. They tend to be very slow compared to the one we're going to create. The type of website we're going to create is based on codes and it's a little bit more faster in terms of even SEO. It's very good in SEO. And then with that much more said, let us begin. Also, if you want to learn about WordPress website or AI website builders, I've also created more detailed videos about that. So go ahead in my channel, or I'll tag them somewhere here, and then you can go ahead and learn how you can create yourself an AI website using WordPress or Lovable or Hostinja Horizon and so on and so forth. So with that much more said, considering that this video you're going to use AI and we shall need only 2 items, and that is our ChatGPT subscription, or the free version will work definitely well. And the next item you're going to need is VS Code. If you don't have VS Code, download it. All these tools are for free, and you can go ahead and create yourself a website. So the website we're going to create today is for a church or an NGO website. All of them are pretty the same. So the first thing we're going to get is a prompt, and we're going to go ahead from the prompt. I'm going to go ahead and paste into work. So I'm going to go ahead and choose chat, and then I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate for us a prompt that we're going to give ChatGPT to generate for us the website. So let's go. So once we have finished writing that prompt, ChatGPT will go ahead and give us a more detailed prompt. As you can see, I've told it, create me a detailed prompt to create a website for a church that can also apply for a non-government organization. Our church is Titus Ministries, located in Kenya. Make it modern and premium. So I want ChatGPT to get me a more detailed prompt. The reason why I want ChatGPT is because ChatGPT understands prompting better. Roughly for us, it will take us almost 10 to 20 minutes just coming up with a better prompt so that the AI can understand. But however, ChatGPT, if I just give it something small, to go ahead and write me a more detailed prompt so that I can go ahead and paste the assets without wasting a lot of more time. So once they're generated, I'm going to go ahead and paste the assets and then we finish. So once the AI has created first the prompt, I'm just going to go ahead and copy. So you can right click. However, for me, I'm just going to go ahead and click the copy button here. And then I'm going to open a new chat and then we go to work. I'm going to use 5.6 Sol, but all models that you have will work definitely well. So on this, I'm going to paste our little prompt here, and then AI will understand it. So once I've pasted it there, I'm just go ahead and click send prompt. So ChatGPT work will go ahead and analyze the prompt that we have given it, and then it will go ahead and create for us a detailed website. So I'm going to fast forward this video, but if you want to see the step-by-step process of how it extracts and everything, go ahead and reduce the speed up to almost 5 times or 10 times the speed I'm playing it at. And then I'll come back after it has finished generating. Right, so after everything is done, we have finished working out. We encountered some small problem, however, we solved it. So I didn't show the problem here. However, I want to make this video very, very short. Now, after we have finished our installation, it succeeded. We went ahead and ran through the local host, and then we got a working link. So the working link is basically this. So the website is actually complete. As you can see, it gave us some small call to action here during the Sound Explorer Impact. Very beautiful website, very fast. Gave us this. And gave us some AI images it generated by itself. You can go ahead and change this and put your own images. Give us dark and light mode. WhatsApp button that when you click takes you direct to contacting them on WhatsApp. Then so basically everything looks very nice and very, very beautiful. And based on the fact that it created this in less than 30 minutes, is actually outstanding, because 3 years back, this website could take 3 days and above to create. So it give us a donate button if you want tithe and offerings directly on the website. The congregation can actually go ahead and donate or send tithes and offerings through this. The payment link definitely is not active right now. It's not connected, but however, you can go ahead and connect PayPal or Payway or MP or anything of your choice. Create first get involved page where you can go ahead and volunteer by sending a contact form, and then it will go ahead and do each and everything. I don't have much time to go ahead and talk of each and every page of this website, but all I can say is that the website is pretty wonderful, pretty slick, and very, very, very beautiful. So if you want the zip code of this very one, you can actually email me info@titus.simplifies.com, and then I'll go ahead and send you the zip file of this, the source code of this file. And then if you find any problem designing the website, go ahead and also contact me, and then I'll brief you and guide you on everything. We shall not go ahead and deploy this website right now, but if you want to deploy it, there are lots of videos I've put in before. But now you can deploy the website and you connect it to GitHub and connect to your domain or via Vercel. So let me close this video for now, and then if you like the video, consider liking, and then if you like AI tutorials, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one.